Hi guys, welcome back to Facetone. So this is the logged in page an agent can view, and you can see his productivity over here. So in this video I will be showing how an agent can receive a call, and let's see the proceedings to receive a call. First of all, what the agent should do is initialize his softphone. By clicking on the phone icon, you can initialize the softphone. So after the phone is initialized successfully, you can see this icon with green online icon, and also it says that the phone is connected. Afterwards, you need to register with the call task. Okay, it says registered successfully. Next is to select the mode, the direction of the call. So in this case, since this agent is going to receive a call, he needs to select inbound as his mode. Okay, so now this agent is ready to accept a customer's call. So in the next video, we will be showing how to answer a call and do the next few steps. See you in the next one. Bye.